So we have taken a value as 10 and we are printing the a value. We are also checking what is the address of a. We are sending this a argument a. We are passing this argument to the function update. So now the x value is also 10. What we are saying here is we have initialized the value of a with 10. So a is tagging to 10. When I passed this argument a to the function update, whether we are passing this by pass by value or pass by reference concept, call by value or call by reference concept, in reality we are not using either pass by value or pass by reference, or we are not using either call by value or call by reference for sending the arguments to the function. We will check. So the value of a is 10. When I pass this argument a to the update function, the value of x is also 10. When we are checking what is the address of a and what is address of x, they both are showing the same address. I am randomly taking some address 1000, means the address of a and address of x are same. So because the address of a and address of x are same, can I call this as pass by reference? Because we cannot call it as pass by value. In the pass by value, both the variables a and x, both the variables have different addresses. When the x values are being changed, this should not affect the value of a because they are having both the different addresses. Here they are both having same address, so we should not call it as a call by value or pass by value. Because they are having the same address, can we call it as a pass by reference? No. Why? If we are making any change to the x, now I am changing x as 8, because the integer data type in the Python is immutable data type. When I changed the value of x to 8, now instead of changing this value 10 as a 8, because it is not possible to change because it is immutable data type, now the x is tagged to the new address, where in this new address the value is 8. So when we are trying to change the value of x from 10 to 8, the address of x is changed from 1000 to 2000. The value of a remains unaffected. So it is either pass by value or pass by reference, because even though initially a and x are having the same addresses, whenever we are trying to change the value in x, x is taking the different addresses, which gives the chance to a to remain unaffected. We are executing this. Value of a is 10. Before memory address update, before we are sending the a value to the function, the argument to the function, the address of a is 376. Now the x value is 10. Here you can observe. I will now, after the argument a is sent to the function, the value of x is 10. The address of x is same as address of a, because they are both pointing, they both are tagging to the same value. Now we have changed the value of x to 8. Because we have changed the value of x to 8, the address of x is changed to new value 312. That's what we are saying. Initially, the address of a and address of x both are tagging to the same value. This address may be some 1000, but when I am trying to change the value of x, x is taking the new address, and the address of a is remaining unaffected. So this is how we pass the arguments in the Python. When we are passing the argument a, which is integer data type, after passing it, when we are trying to change the value of x, it will not affect the a. The change in the value of x will take the new address. Now the address of X is changed, but the address of A and the value of A remains unaffected.